everyone, Kittynyanyao here and welcome to my channel. Today's video will not be about unboxing figures or dolly videos. I've been thinking about vlogging tidbits about me, and this video will be the first of that series. Leave a comment down below and share ideas on what videos I can do next for this new series. Feel free to subscribe to see more unboxing videos. And hit that like button and bell button for you to be updated for a new video upload. Hope you'll enjoy the video! Hello again everyone, Kitty here with my pink Ita bag, decorated with lots of Itsuka Kotori keychains from Date Alive anime. First, let's start from the outside. Here I have hanging are a crochet letter K for Kitty, a pink star lollipop given to me by my little sister, a heart bottle of alcohol cause of pandemic, stay safe, and random hair ties just in case. And now I'm gonna show you what's inside this bag. Here we first have my Samsung A51 cell phone. And a cute Megarina Luca keychain. I always carry a figure or a toy for company and of course for photography, hence this fish pouch that I bought from a souvenir shop. Can you guess who's the figure inside? Nezuko-chan! Sorry, I can't shout like Zenitsu. Next is my fluffy cat butt coin purse from Miniso. My lovely Porfoa wallet. My 12-ounce clean canteen. Always drink water. With butterfly bead chain decor. A face mask case for extra face mask. Next we have my utility pouch. Containing a Tootsie Roll flavored lip balm. Strawberry shake cologne from Bench. Smells really sweet. Pond's face powder. An emergency fluffy scrunchie. Feminine toiletry. Comb. And emergency band-aids. And here's one of my book sleeves by Book Shields, containing my current read, Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. and a notebook to where I write my bookish thoughts. My pink sketchbook for doodles. Pens and pencils. And the ones inside the pockets are my green earphones, again from Miniso. And lastly, my phone charger. Thank you for watching!